Welcome back. Now, the other element in HTML that will be helpful to know when you are analyzing what's happening on the page will be the div code. And you'll see here that it is typically an attribute within brackets, and then it's followed by a bracket with a backslash, and you'll see the div. And the div tag is a subdivision. So, for example, it subdivides the page into a certain element that you can apply certain things to. So for example, this division has a certain element to it. It's further subdivided into these elements, and you'll see that there is a division there. It's further subdivided so that everything within this division has a certain element to it. And so basically what you're able to do is you're able to divide the page and you apply certain elements to certain parts of the page. And so you'll see again that we apply certain elements to this division. We apply certain elements to this row. We apply certain elements to just this division. So basically, the division class will tell you what's happening in a particular page as long as you can trace it to a closing division code. For example, we'll see that everything within this division code is going to be aligned to the center. And so you'll see different classes of divisions where you have different applications of the code with certain attributes. This will help you as you begin to look at analyzing code to make changes and edits. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.